Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another FX option video, yes, about FX options, IQ option, FX option, yes. And I want to show you when not to trade FX options, and these are those cases where you have not to trade. So look at this. First of all my trades and everything what I'm telling are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. You can adapt those concepts to Forex, to FX option, to digital option, to everything, yes, to any kind of financial instrument, yes. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description. In the description, we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So I will probably not doing any kind of trade here, because you see here we have here only a red what is this bar. This is a red bar. You see here from let me show you this here. We have a 30-minute time frame. Yes, look at this. That is what I want to show you. So, and we have here a 30-minute time frame. Yes, and we have only a red bar here. You see, from -100 to -13. Yes, and so in this kind of range, and this is a 30-minute time frame, and the expiration time is almost an hour. How you should get to these levels? Yes, somewhere here above this level in 1 hour. It's impossible. So stay out of those kind of trades here on FX option, yes, because that is not the case to trade them. So I will show you another example, so it will make it more clear. Also, if you choose this kind of lowest strike price, yes, you will not get any kind of profit here. You see the bar is red. Yes, that is not tradable. Don't trade. Don't risk your money in such cases. Yes. Let me show you another one here. For example, here above. So you see it's always red, 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 red. These are those kind of market conditions that are not favorable. It should be close to the opening, to the running, to the what is called here, the current price line, the green one. Yes, if the green one is on the 30-minute in the close to the current price line, then you can trade those kind of options. Let me show you another FX option here. This one, for example, here. If looking at half an hour time frame, yes, and let's see what is showing here. Okay, a red bar, yes, completely red, from -100 to -23, and to have only one candle, yes, left here. If you would have two candles, it would not get in the money. That is the cases where you will burn your money. Yes, in such cases you will burn your money. You see, no, nothing green, only red. Stay away from such a market. Don't trade FX options on this kind of market. Let me show you another one, so it will be more clear. So we have here again, here we are getting now a little bit green, yes, but too far away to get to reach this in two candles. It's impossible to reach this level. Let me show you this. Yes, this level here. How you want to reach this level in two candles? It's impossible. Yes, it should be a miracle. You need a miracle. Yes, to get to this level in two candles. If you are here with the current price line at this level, stay away of those kind of FX option trade. Yes, don't blow your money. Yes, don't blow your account by those kind of things. Yes, I will show you more trades of FX options, but the market should be favorable. Yes, don't trade only because you want to trade. This will get out bad. So let me show you another one. Euro GPY. Yes, here. Let me see if we get here some other. You have to switch on the 30 minutes. Yes, and on the 30 minutes, because that are two candles the FX options expiration time is 1 hour. Yes, and if you have the 30-minute time frame, yes, you can validate how much candles, you need mostly 2, yes, and how big this candle should be. You watch them and then you can understand if it will be favorable or not. And you see here, nothing green, yes. You are still in the red zone, yes. The bar is completely red, and that is what I'm talking about here. Stay away, let me show you this. Stay away of such bars, yes, where you have -100, -1, all red, yes, this is all red. That is not good. So let me see if I can show you another one. GPY, here, this one. This is a last 2, 4, 6. It are 6. They are switching all the time here. What I need is this one here, and then I need the USD GPY also. So that are all 6 one. So let me see. Here we have a little bit green. Yes, let me see if I can get a little bit more green. Yes. Yes, this is a max, yes. And how should the candle get to this level, yes, in 2 or 1 candle? It's impossible, yes. That is impossible. So here we have a little bit more green sometimes, yes, depending on the, yes, this would here, you see at the high of this support and resistance level. Let me show you this. So we have here this level. Let me draw this line. So we got here on this kind of support and resistance level, yes, here this one, we got this kind of 0 level, yes. And how should this candle get there, yes, in 2 candles or in 1 candle? It's impossible. So stay away from such kind of market, yes. If the FX options are offering this kind of things, yes, where you don't get a green number close to your current price line, yes, that is the first thing what you should care about. As you have, if you see this, do something else, go out or do something else, yes, because this is not a market to trade. Stay away from such kind of markets because you can only lose this. Yes, you can only lose because there is no hope that there will, or you need a miracle, yes, a news event or something like this. And believe me, and if you are doing this at the news event, there will be another block or something else. Yes, there will maybe there will be some maintenance or some issues, technical issues or something like this. So don't trade in this kind of conditions. Yes, if you see that there is no only red, yes, all the time, all the red, that is what you should avoid. Okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.